action. Okay. Hey everyone, my name is John, and as you can see, I'm in the office right now. If you're in the office and you're watching this, I really hope you are on your lunch, because if not, hey, this person isn't doing work. They're watching a video. Today we're going to be exploring the top 5 places you need to be disinfecting that you're probably neglecting in your office. So a number of these places we've already made videos on, and of course we'll link them throughout the video, but as soon as you're done watching this, make sure you go ahead and disinfect these places all by yourself. So starting off our list, we have number 1, the coffee machine. So the coffee machine or the coffee station in your office can be a breeding ground for bacteria if it's not properly cleaned and disinfected daily. At our office, our staff currently disinfect after every single use just to be extra safe. On to point number 2, mouses. Mice? Whatever they're called, these handy little devices, pun intended, are especially a cause for concern if they are in a shared environment. Often in a server room or a printer room or even an office that has flexible desk spaces, these things really need to be properly disinfected. They're easily disinfected by using a simple Roxton wipe, and you'll be good to go. On to number 3, we have printers and copy machines. So I wasn't even aware people use these anymore, but I might be a bit biased seeing as I can turn off my lights by saying Alexa, lights off. Oops, that was unintentional. But seriously though, these machines get used by a ton of different businesses, printing out invoices, menus, plans, you name it, it probably has printed it. Every print job requires a person to handle the machine, so ensure that you're getting to the cleaning and disinfecting of your own printer and copier, and don't forget to maintain it properly according to the device standards. Number 4, waiting room and lobby chairs. So these, and honestly many other pieces of furniture in offices, are often overlooked in cleaning. The main reason? How in the world do you disinfect a whole bunch of chairs really quickly if you have a whole bunch of chairs? The answer is very simple. It's something like a fogger. Or if you're just dealing with one chair, you can use a simple Roxton wipe. Number 5, last but not least, light switches. Now, unless you have some sweet voice-activated lights like myself, you'll probably have these old switches. Think of how many people touch these switches every single day. It's best to just get simple with your staff, put up hand sanitizing stations, encourage hand washing, and maybe even implement a middle of day and end of day cleaning routine and disinfecting routine so that you can handle the disinfecting of these light switches every single day. So there you have it, friends. Those are the top 5 places that need disinfecting every single day, but you're probably neglecting them in your own office. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, maybe leave us a comment, hit the subscribe button for sure. And if you need any disinfecting or cleaning supplies, be sure to head on over to roxtonindustries.ca. We'll get you hooked up with everything you need to be successful. Until next time, everybody, stay classy, wash your hands.